Good morning or good night wherever you are in the world. In today's video, we'll be doing a new series by myself, Learning with Trevin. Full Sail Masterclass. Basically, what I'll be doing in a short version is every single video I'll be putting out every Tuesday, we'll be going over the full website of Full Sail. So we'll be starting with how to create a Slush Wallet and then how to use our fast and sleek swapping. So Trevin, how do I create a Slush Wallet to get started on Full Sail? Well, I'm glad you asked, Trevin in the camera. You're actually able to do this on multiple wallets. So my favorite wallet still by far is Slush Wallet, which actually used to be Slush Wallet. So Trevin, why is Slush Wallet your favorite wallet overall? Well, I like it because I'm actually able to onboard all my friends and family. So all they need is a Gmail account, a Twitch account, a Facebook account, or an Apple account. And almost every person has one of those. So instead of trying to remember a seed phrase, a passphrase, you're able to just log in with your Gmail and boom, you have a Slush Wallet in under 10 seconds. And some other wallets to mention that you might want to try out is Nightly. They're a multi-chain wallet, and a new kid on the block, Tokeo. I looked at their app, it's super simple to sign up, and it also takes only 15 to 20 seconds, and boom, you have a Slush Wallet in the palm of your hand. So since you have created your wallet on Slush, Nightly, or Tokeo, let's hop straight into the website. So the website is fullsail.finance. When you open the site, it'll actually show you our aggregator and swapping feature. And I want to show you how quick it is on Full Sail. So the first thing you have to do is obviously connect your wallet. This is like your bank. So in the right hand side, it'll say connect wallet. Click that and hit approve. Okay, so the whole process should take about 3 seconds or under. It's a super easy process. And after that, you're in. So it'll actually already show you that the aggregator mode is on, so you will get the best deals whatever you're swapping. And the first thing you want to do, let's say that we're trying to swap SWI into ICA. All we have to do is hit select token. Once you hit select token, it'll come up with all the tokens that are in our liquidity pools, which I'll go over later on in a different video. So we said that we want to do SWI into ICA. So click on SWI, select token again, and we'll hit ICA. And at the current time of this video, which is September 15th at 9 p.m., we can see that one SWI, which is $3.52 at the time, is worth 73.68 ICA. And then we'll just hit swap. And once you hit approve, it should be, wow, okay, that was faster than I could actually blink. I think that was like 0.4 seconds. The wonderful thing about SWI is on average, it's 0.4 seconds with the Mysticeti update. So it makes everything crazy quick and crazy smooth. And that's that. So you created your wallet, you did your first swap on Full Sail. So I will see you next week with going over liquidity pools and how to get O Sail. And this has been your captain, Trevin versus Gaming. Ahoy!